I think for the short term even, not like for in 5 years, but for the short term period, right now, whole Latin America was hoping for good elections in the US, because they depend on this market. And with the change now to back to Trump, everyone is like very positive to ramp up the sales to the US, because even if Trump says he's going to take back the production to the US, they don't have the whole capacity to fulfill everything. So there will be somehow a more relocation of production to Latin America, away from markets like China, India, Indonesia, and Vietnam. So I can only speak for my area. I see it's very positive for the next 3-4 years. Yeah. I mean, I would separate it in 4 areas. One is one market, or 4 markets. One is Mexico, what is mostly producing for export to US, what is one of the 2 most important markets for us in Latin America. The second important market is Brazil, what is totally the opposite. They only export 3% of their products. The rest is only internal consumption. So they are total opposite markets. They are the 2 biggest. And then there are 2 more regions, what I would sum up in regions. One is Central America, what is Guatemala, El Salvador, and Honduras. And maybe you can take also Dominican Republic into it. They are producing also almost everything for the US market. And yeah, the last years with a little less demand in the US were challenging, but they are, I heard a lot also in this fair. Some of our customers said there are good perspectives for the future for Central America. And the 4th region, I would say, is also what is called Comunidad Andina, what means Peru, Ecuador, and Colombia. And Venezuela is not part of this Comunidad, but Venezuela right now, it's very low, as everyone knows, and due to politics. But right now, from the other 3 countries who are also most likely exporting to the US, Peru is the market what is very active right now. Colombia had the last 2 years a bit of struggle because of the political situation, but what I heard here in the fair, we have good times ahead of us. I mean, we are also right now focusing on one very big topic, what is Industry 4.0, so to digitalize all the processes. And within this package, or within this area, we have developed somehow artificial intelligence, a program what can help our customers to optimize the processes, what they are running on Stanton frame or on other machines, where you just have somehow a digital twin of your machine, and all the data of all kinds of fabrics and chemistry and everything inside the system. It's like a learning system. And then a customer can just check if their adjustments or their recipes, we call it recipes, on their machine is going well, what can be optimized to or get a better output or reduce significantly the energy. And we really are proud. We launched this on ITMA, on last ITMA in Milan. And yeah, we had a very good feedback from all the customers who are working with this program. They can also create new products with this program, and yeah, you can save from 10% up to 60% in energy costs, or ramp up the production about like 50%. Depends obviously how bad your recipes were before, but this is a very important thing where we have to innovate. As I said before, Europe has to innovate to keep ahead of all the competition. Yeah. Yeah, I think it will be a danger for this low wage cost countries, because automation. I mean, in our field, in finishing machinery, we have even now only a few operators. There are not a lot of operators. But if I think maybe about the sewing industry, where like you have thousands and thousands, and I mean even hundreds of thousands or millions of people around the world working in this industry, and if we automate this, I think this will be have a big impact, because I think the countries in the future will tend to make a full automated plant near even inside this country, with very low personnel. And yeah, then you don't have the problem of the wage cost, and everything is automated, and I can have it tomorrow. I don't have to wait for the ship to come with the whole pieces. So I think automation, and more in the field of the textile, in the textile chain, more in the field where you have a lot of manual labor, like in sewing. This will have definitely a big impact in the future on these countries like India, Bangladesh, China, and other countries where these products are made by hand. Yeah.